Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how I do one of my favorite cuts. It is a bob, asymmetrical. She wanted a specific cut. She showed me a picture and I'm pretty much going for it. I'm starting out by making sure that I have her hair detangled completely before I even section her hair off. Then we're going to go into sectioning, which is what I'm doing here. Sectioning, making sure the sections are clean, and cutting according to the sections. This technique is typically what beginners use, the partings, the sectioning, and all of that. However, when I cut a bob, I don't care how long I've been cutting a bob. I'm going to always use the techniques I used in school just because it kind of guarantees my bob to look fabulous. If you notice, every time I take a section, I am combing the hair like multiple times just because I want to make sure that the hair is not tangled and that it is free of all kinks, all tangles, all anything that could deter you from giving a proper haircut. She requested that one side be longer than the other, so that is exactly what we're going for. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I am a perfectionist to the heart. I hate when something is out of place or doesn't look right. So you'll see me doing a lot of nitpicking and just going back and through and making sure everything is symmetrical and, even. I can't stand when I can see hard lines in any kind of haircut. Okay, so here I'm just adding layers, going in, kind of removing a little weight so it doesn't fall so heavy in the back. She does like a thicker bob. She did not want it to be stacked per se, so I am kind of sort of like doing like in between. It's going to be a one length, but at the same time I am going to stack it a little bit, just a tiny bit, just so it's not right on her neck. But again, that's just something that you just learn as you go through. It won't be stacked, but it definitely won't be super thick on her neck. I hate those bobs. Y'all wouldn't believe how many times I have cut my finger. Like, I'm not lying. Like, I literally have cut my finger like probably at least 50 times since I have been officially cutting hair like for a living. Like it's not even funny no more. Like, I literally cut myself sometimes and I'm like, all right, go get a band-aid and it's on to the next haircut. I used to freak out, but it is a part of the lifestyle, people, a part of the lifestyle. They say a good cut always styles itself. That is so true. However, when I cut anybody's bob, like, you're gonna get a style, sis. I don't care. We're styling this bob. I gotta see what I'm working with here. Alright guys, this is our finished product. I thank you guys very, very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.